Hope y'all feeling okay. It is Sunday, July 19th, and I'm trying to get my mind right. You feel me? We getting ready for the market tomorrow. We're gonna be in there nice and early. Hopefully I'll be up at 6. And we got a nice little zone right here on Tessie. But yeah, let's make our watch list for Monday. And low key for the week, but for Monday. Hey, I've been trying to get my mind right.
I'm just trying to get my vibe right, trying to get my mind right. Focused on my future, give a fuck about a limelight. Tell me what your grind like. Felt like I had to die twice to go and live this damn life. Took a gamble, no dice. And I ain't never show my hand. If we talking all money, bitch, you know I'm all in. I ain't never had a twin, so I learned to face myself. I ain't into playing games, yet I take the cards I'm dealt. Read a lot of things from a book, then I had to get booked. Get myself up off the shelf. Now I ain't looking back, cause I came for
So
the belt and I'm focused
we've been
on
having a
my
decent amount of movement on Tesla. That's crazy. After this bear flag, it broke out a little bit and then it broke down. And I'm about to try something. Actually, maybe not. I heard this guy's trading strategy. He said something about looking at the pre-market lows and placing orders based on that. I never looked at the lows. I've always used the highs. And so we got a nice little zone right here, 451, 396. That's a big one. I don't like that. So right now, I'm just trying to see if I see anything new. You see, we have this little triangle right here. I drew this line and this line before it had actually closed. I drew it the day before. So this is what happened at open, and then ultimately it broke below and flushed. And then we touched 386, and then we touched 380. So realistically, I would like to see a bounce from here, but I think we go to 376, and then we bounce from there. Or we continue to flush, one of the two. I hope it's not a flush though. That'll be crazy. But I'm ready for it on either side, you feel me? So yeah. So right now on the 1 hour, my levels for Tesla, if it goes further down, 376, 372, and then we have 368. And if we break back to the upside, we need to clear 380 quickly. And then we have 388 as our next target, then 391, and then 393, and then 396. But I'm going to be looking for more downside. Not because I want it, but I'm curious if we're going to break down further. So I've been keeping my watch list kind of simplified. I've only been watching 6 tickers: Appl, Tesla, Nvda, QQQ, SPY, SPX. That's all you need. I'ma take a sip. Randy, that's a touchdown. I can't put you on my schedule, ain't no meeting up. No. Hey, tell them take a seat, cause this gonna be in HD. Shit talking got me ashing on my white tee. Alright, so on Nvda, we've at 202. I believe the next level, 206, and then from there we have 208, 210, and 211 and 212. It hit all of them along the way. So what are we working with right now? A little bit of breakdown. And then, wow, that was a thumper. This is a thumper right there. They say that's the boss. Ooh, we had 2 thumpers. Pre-market, it worked its way back up, and then it broke that low. Ooh, ugly. We went all the way to 197 on Friday. I did not even realize we broke that low. Wow. All right, let's see what this recovery looks like on the 1 minute. Okay, actually, I do remember seeing this. I do remember seeing this retrace back to the upside, though. I didn't realize it had broke down that much in the first hour, though. Got a little triangle, boom, broke back out. We got a bear flag, too, if you look at that right there. So, boom, we got our upside. A little head and shoulder action almost. Then it dropped down. It broke to 20. Yep. And then it broke the 20, went to break the 250. And then it tried to break VWAP. It couldn't hold. I'm just saying this out loud so I could follow along. I don't really know what I'm thinking. I just would like to see. I'm not even gonna say. I just would like to see. I'm just gonna be prepared for my levels up and down. And so let's see. Oh, so I circled these because they look similar to me. Like I figured that these were the copies of each other. And so I was waiting to see if the same thing would happen, and it did. So this right here, I saw setting up. Oh, if you see right here, this would have been Wednesday of last week. I was like, wait, that looks very similar to this right here. I wonder if it's gonna break down. And what did it do? It broke down. Exactly. And so with that being said, how big was this move? It came back to match this below. All right, so if that's the case, this is going down to the next level. We're going to 195. If this continues to follow what happened here, the next level I'm looking for on the video is 195. And then from there we have 194, 192, and then 185. From 185 we have 177. It would be crazy if we see these numbers tomorrow. But like I said, I just prepare for it, and then I just wait and watch. But if we do break back to the upside, it's at 202, 206, 208, 212. The S&P been breaking. What is this little line I have here? I don't know what this is. I'm just gonna delete it. Rocky River, but I kept it rolling, and I'm too fly. I should work for Boeing. Oh, this is a little W almost. Took a tab, then I started floating. And so if you look, I think we still too overextended for real. Look at that. Boy, just been taking off, man. So on SPX, 15. My next level down is 74.27. And then if we could hit that 74.27, we have 74.39. Or 73.94. Wow, that's dyslexic as hell. 73.39. 73.94, bro. What's wrong with me right now? 73.94. So 74.24, 74.27, and 73.94. And then we have 73.60. I'll be honest with you. If we break 7,400, I believe we're going to 73.60. And I would love that. Give me an XPX play with a 200-point break, bro, and give it to me within the hour. Man, that's one of my biggest annoyances with the S&P 500 is it will move, but it'll take so long to do it. And by the time it does it, your contract ain't worth as much as it was or could have been. That be getting me, bro. I'm like, y'all know what y'all doing, man. And see, that was a nice little breakdown. I drew this before this complete move happened, and then the whole thing was in tunnel fire. And see, it did it again. Broke down, boom, and then the same thing happened again, and it broke down even lower. And this is a little M. It's a wavy M, but it's an M. And so a big part of chart reading is just like pattern recognition, which is something I'm learning. I knew that, but I didn't realize how easy it was if you just looked at patterns and looked for the same pattern. And lucky for y'all, I'm great at pattern recognition. Yeah, so for the SPY, the next level down is 741. Then we have 739. Then 736. And if we can clear 745, then we can see 747.50. And if we clear that, we got 750. But before I'm really looking at this as bullish, I'd run a clear 750. But this is the thing. If it can clear 750, I feel like it'll do it without a problem. This candle right here is so egregious. Did we have that on the S&P too? It looked like it just had it all over. That's the same thing we had on Nvda. QQQ have it? Nah. I mean, actually, I guess QQQ kind of does have it because that's still a big drop. It just wasn't a one candle. It just went from there to there. Like, all right. Yeah, this might as well be the same thing as this. It serves the same point and purpose. Like, it's literally the same thing. It's just, instead of doing it in one clean move or candle, they spread it out over 2 minutes. So you got 2 candles. That's crazy. Yo, this is crazy. I don't even got levels on the 15 for, okay, I was about to say, I don't even got the levels on there for that. So 691 to the low side, 686. Sheesh. I'm not gonna lie, there's nothing exciting going on here. I'm just going over the chart and looking at my levels. This is how I go ahead and get my levels for my price targets on my cheat sheets and my watch list. I just go ahead, I look at the charts, I look at where my levels are. I write down the top 5 and the bottom 5. And then I look for those prices to be hit during intraday trading. And that's how I decide when I'm gonna enter and exit stuff. Appl was on a nice little all week. It came out busting, boom, shot off, and it just stayed on an uptrend. I'm not gonna lie, I didn't get into half of it because I thought it had to stall out eventually or would be overextended. This was the gift that kept on giving this past week, bro. Niggas switching up again, kinda like the wind do. Niggas telling damn lies like they is the damn news.
Tell me what else is new though. Out here flowing like Pluto. Can I be your sensei? Watch me kick it like judo. You know, hey, you could be my Juno. Oh, oh, how far can we could go? No, I wanna lie you, but I'm too afraid to fall. No, I wanna lie you, but I'm too afraid to call. So I'm rolling sticks, throwing feelings at the wall. We'll see if some sticks, and I see you on the mall. No, I wanna lie you, but I'm too afraid to fall. No, I wanna lie you, but I'm too afraid to call. So I'm rolling sticks, throwing feelings at the wall. See if some sticks, and I see you on the mall.
I'm still two-turned.
You two-faced.
Yay.
Fuck from around me.
Cause you too fake. All I hear is a lot of chitter chatter. Conversation though couldn't be sadder. Gave you the moon, but you wanted Saturn. Ayy, fuck's a pedestal, what is a platter? I'm serving them up, now double the batter. That was a fancy way of saying blow me.
No, I got me some ways out in the field and I'm catching some plays. See my skin glow, I'm lit for these rays.
All of this work for the pay, I need a raise. I got another version of this that I didn't release, where I just wrote the beat out, but I can't sing, so I deleted it. I said, hey, what did I say? Hey, never lay down for, I'm not even gonna do it. I'm not even gonna do it. This is my ish right here. Yeah, honestly, I don't even know with Appl. All right, so we got the S&P 500, we got SPY, we got QQQ, we got Tesla, we got Appl, we got Nvda. And yeah, we stick to my 6. Stick to my 6. I stick to my 6. Stick to my 6. I stick to my 6. Alright. So yeah, that's how I go ahead and get my levels. And then now I'm gonna go ahead and take the voice recording from this video and put it into ChatGPT and tell it to make an image of what I said. Yeah, feel me. Harder, not smart. I mean, smarter, not harder. I don't really got no time for the models. I don't like shots. I prefer me a bottle. And I've been the one since I was just a toddler. In a state that looks late. When you see the ruler, better stand straight. Keep them in line, cause they know my rank.
For the talking, got nothing to say. They see how I'm living, they feeling some way. I'll try to get it. Try to the chicken. It's diesel ho. There's a lot that I could say, but I don't wanna say. Got a lot up on my chest, think it's best we get it straight before it's too late, before we go up in the grave. Let's do it right now, baby, I don't wanna wait. A lot that I could say, that I don't wanna say. Got a lot up on my chest, think it's best we get it straight.
Let's look at a couple others we hear, we might as well. Let's see if we see anything. There's everything on this side is something I once watched. When I say once watch, it's just like I used to watch it all the time. See if I see anything worth stepping into. I do still like Badu as a company. There's a lot of things I like to say to you. You know, people say you don't usually get this in one. There's somebody doing this type of analytical brain work and making music. I guess I open both sides, you feel me? I'm not gonna lie, being an artist and being creative, like it came naturally, but I wasn't good at it. It's like I had the interest in it, but it took me so long to write good songs. And it took me even longer to be able to use my voice. And I still don't use my real voice half the time. How hard is it to match it? I'm back to being active, no longer being passive. Now that that's established, I ain't never let go. You had me from the get-go. Baby girl got me gassed up, no sit-go. Cause it's insured. You the one I got. That a dare remind me of something my little brother would do. It would be on my head, telling me to try different stuff and be more expressive and creative. So I figured he'd like that. What I die. Before it's too late, no. 108, no. Before we go up in the grave. Honestly, I gotta run that back. I'm about to turn it up.
There's a lot that I could say, but I don't wanna say. Got a lot up on my chest, think it's best we get it straight.
Ooh,
it's too late for
Robin Hood.
Let's do it right now.
Robin Hood might be worth looking at to the downside.
That I don't wanna say. Got a lot up on my chest, think it's best we get it straight. Before it's too late, don't wanna wait for.
I think I might have found something to look at.
I like to say to you.
Look for Robin Hood to continue down. See if we can hit that 90.
But I don't label you. They wanna lay with you. I'd rather to see it grow.
Ooh.
Branch out, baby girl, yeah.
It's already broke the 20 day.
I know you
It's been trading below the 20 day. Broke above again, but ooh. Yeah, if it breaks this 250, 80, yeah, I'm putting this on the list. Robin Hood to the downside is getting put on the list. See, and this is what I'm saying. We're just looking to see if we see anything worth looking at.
Talk, but I don't label you. When I'm chilling all alone, no, I'd rather lay with you.
No, I'd rather lay with you. No, I'd rather lay with you.
Think we need a rendezvous. Oh man. You talk a good game. How hard is it to
bag it? I've been chilling for a minute. Now I'm back to being no longer being.
Bending over backwards, so I had to let you have it. Now that that's
established,
let go. You had me from the get-go. Baby girl got me gassed up, no sicko. Feeling like that gecko, cause it's a shirt. You the one I adore. There's a lot that I could say, but I don't wanna say. Got a lot up on my chest, think it's best we get it straight before it's too late, before we go up in the grave. Let's do it right now, baby, I don't wanna wait. A lot that I could say, that I don't wanna say. Got a lot up on my chest, think it's best we get it straight before it's too late. Don't wanna wait for, before we go up in the grave.